Hello friends, I'm Lucia from Virginia, Vietnam, and today I would like to show you three types of quality which are single tone, double tone, and super tone. This is an 18 inches single tone. It's just the right length, so you can see it's getting thinner, which is perfect for those who like thin ends for a natural look. The second is double tone. This is a double tone 18 inches in quality that will be thicker than single tone. If you are interested in thicker hair and approachable price, it's a good choice for you. The third is super tone. We can see that super tone has the same length from top to the bottom. This hair is suitable for those who want a really thick hair. However, the price of super tone is more expensive than double tone and single tone. Now you can see the difference of quality. If you have any question, please let me know. I will support you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.